So I bought this 2006 Hyundai Tucson and it had a couple of issues, and one was that the seat wouldn't move on the rails. It was stuck in one position. You lift the lever but the seat wouldn't move. So I took the seat out. There's 4 bolts that hold it in. You just lift these plastic flaps and take the bolts out, and I found that what the issue was is where this is attached to that arm, these welds have let go. So it just, if you can see it there, this thing just moves around. It doesn't operate the lever. And so what's supposed to happen, if I can get some light on it, this lever is supposed to come down and push on this and release the catch, which moves these pins out of the way, and then the rail can move. See, on this side you move the lever up and those things come out. So I'm gonna have to take this apart and re-weld that bracket. So it looks like you take the plastic cover off of this side and take out that bolt, and that should release this lever, and then I can get this thing out and re-weld it. And again, to take the seat out, it's 4 bolts. You lift this cover and there are 2 connectors underneath there, and the seat comes right out. We'll see how it goes. So there you go, the release lever is, release handle's back in and it's welded back up, and it works like it's supposed to and releases the pegs in the track. I don't imagine this is a common problem. I can't believe that there would be a whole lot of handles with the welds broken like that. It's kind of weird. So anyway, maybe you have the same thing and that's the fix for it. Good luck.